Imagine this for a moment. What if you had a magic lamp and you could ask the genie for whatever you want? Fancy car, big bungalow by the beach, whatever you can imagine. You have to make all the wishes within one day. So, now you made your wishes and the genie granted you everything. Yes, everything. Now it's the next day and you just woke up in your luxurious bungalow. How would you spend your days now? What would you do? I'm sure you can think of 100 awesome things to do right away. Let your imagination flow. Imagine yourself enjoying the luxury, zipping in your sports car, fancy parties and whatnot. Now let's say that a few months have passed. You have been living this luxurious lifestyle for 3 months, 4 months or 6 months. The jacuzzi, the Ferrari, the parties. You have done it all. It's the new normal for you. And it no longer gives you the same excitement as it did before. Now what? What would you really like to do after all that jazz has really lost its charm? What would make you feel alive? What would make you get up from the bed every morning? Think about it for a second. When I asked this to some folks around me, I got responses like, I always wanted to write a book. I would love to start my own bakery. I would love to learn dancing or start painting again. Take piano lessons. I want to travel and go trekking. Do you notice that most of them are very simple things and we may not need a genie or a magic lamp to experience them. We may not need all the riches to try them. The whole point of this thought exercise is to bring out that one thing that you really love to do and to reveal that in most cases it is not out of our reach even today. Most of the things that will bring joy in our lives are very simple things. We can have them even now when we are just a normal person living a normal life. We just need to take some time out to learn the piano, photography, go trekking or whatever. And we can do it now. We often say to ourselves that when we get to that level in the company or when my bank balance is so much, then I can do whatever I want. Till then, I have to keep grinding. I have responsibilities. Yes, I understand. And I'm not saying that we leave everything and just do fun all day long. But I think in our busy lives, we can still find 30 minutes every day just for ourselves. Can't we? And even if it's just for a few minutes, the point is that we should start now. We do not have to keep grinding for years together to reach a milestone and then do what we love. And most often, that milestone keeps shifting, doesn't it? As we keep chasing higher and higher milestones, what do we say to ourselves? I can do all that when I become a senior manager. Once we are there, we say to ourselves, I need to work harder to save more money for my new house. You get the point? The milestones just keep moving ahead. And quite often, we just forget what we ever wanted to do. Those little dreams get buried too deep to come up ever again. So, like I said, we don't have to shy away from our responsibilities. We just have to keep a few minutes each day to do the things that bring joy in our lives. Let's do one more thought exercise. It's a small one. Imagine you are in your 60s or 70s looking back at your life. What would you regret doing or not doing? And use that to guide what you do now, even if you give it 10 minutes a day. Otherwise, more often than not, we will only end up with more regrets later on. When I applied this on my own self, I found the regrets of not doing anything in the fields of spirituality and mindfulness to spread the knowledge that I have gained over the years, and also of not spending enough time with kids. From that day onwards, I made some time every day to start this YouTube channel and spend quality time with my kids. We are working on a course on mindfulness and meditation. If you are interested, please fill your details in the form given in the description and we will inform you once it's ready. Don't forget to watch this video where we find the missing piece for a happier and more balanced life. Thanks a lot for watching and do subscribe to the channel for more videos on building a healthy mind, body and soul.